Now we're going to talk about the L technique, which is a very soft shape. The thing I love about the L technique is it creates deep valleys and peaks and can give you a very soft perimeter through this area here, and you can even use it in your graduation. And I'll show you on a cute little French bob how playful it can be. Very helpful technique. Now it's an L if you're right-handed, but guess what? If you're a lefty, it's a J. I'm right-handed, so clearly I'm going to be talking to you from that point of view. This is important here, combing the hair down square. And what I'm going to do is comb the hair square, I'm square, and then I'm going to move my body around so I can come in this way. Remember what I was saying before about body position. So I'm going to come through like this, move my body around, and I'm going to come through, and it's L and over. Up and down, and over. Up and down, and over. The stem of the L and then over. The stem of the L and then over. A layer, an outline shape. A layer, an outline shape. A layer and an outline shape. And layer and outline shape. So now when I move this, I'm getting a lot more softness on the line. You can see a lot more texture coming through, which is really quite marvelous. So let's just recap that. I stand, remember, I must be parallel to my razor. So my razor will never be like this. My razor and my shoulders are level always. So as I turn, the razor turns, and that's really important. So here we go. We comb the hair straight down. I'm square, then I put my shoulder in, I move my body, and I'm going to come in, I'm going to go up and down and over, up and down and over, up and down and over, long, soft, layered strokes and over, long, soft and over. I'm on the left side of the hair. And you can see I've taken away quite a lot of weight, and what I'm left with is softness. So that is the L technique, or the J if you're left-handed.
I gotta play it cool, you gotta look right. I gotta keep it smooth, you gonna want it right. They're gonna bring it down, I gotta feel good.